All right, those are just my Rhodes dinner rolls that we smashed down. Now coming in with my red enchilada sauce, and we're gonna add a little bit of enchilada sauce on top of each of our rolls. Now I did let my dinner rolls rise on my counter for about 3 hours, and they were perfectly fluffy for this easy, delicious Mexican inspired dinner. Now I am obviously using the canned enchilada sauce, but you can do homemade, you could do green, you could do whatever you desire. And we're just adding about half a tablespoon per roll. Ooh, this is gonna be good. Next, I'm coming in with my refried beans, and we're gonna add a scoop of our beans right on top of that enchilada sauce. And we're gonna add about 1 tablespoon of refried beans right on top. And just like with the enchilada sauce, you can make your homemade refried beans if you prefer. But I wanted this to be super easy, super convenient. It's kind of a play on one of my favorite, go-to fast food restaurants. I bet you guys could probably guess it in the comments, but this is gonna be a game changer. I'm just gonna quickly kind of spread out my refried beans. It doesn't need to be perfect. Just make sure it's not in a big clump. So we're gonna do that super fast with each of our biscuits. All right, got that last one, just kind of pat down, beautiful. Now I'm gonna come in with my cooked ground beef, and we're gonna add a scoop of our ground beef on here. Now you can use whatever meat you prefer. You could use some carne asada, you could do some chicken, you could do some chorizo, whatever kind of meat you like, you can just throw it on there. But I like ground beef, it is my favorite, and I feel like it complements all the other flavors we're adding onto here. I'm trying to be as clean as possible, but this ground beef is going everywhere, but that's okay because it's still gonna be delicious. So we just added a little bit on each one, and we have plenty of leftovers for a different meal. Now we are gonna season this super quick with our taco seasoning, and we're just gonna add a nice little sprinkle onto each of our little rolls with that enchilada sauce, those refried beans, and that ground beef. This is coming together super fast. This would be great for a weekday dinner or a quick little weekend lunch, whatever you wanna make it for. Now you knew this would not be complete without some cheese. I have the Mexican style cheddar jack, and we're gonna add a pinch of cheese onto each of our little rolls. Ooh, now if you don't want to use the dinner rolls from Rhodes, you could also use a biscuit, you could use a tortilla, you could use a crescent roll. The options are endless. You can even do some puff pastry, but I love those dinner rolls because they're so fluffy and delicious. They're just like a soft little yummy crust for this easy dinner. Last but certainly not least, we have our rotel. Now you can add some onions to this. You can add whatever kind of Mexican flavors you like, some cilantro, but I am keeping it pretty simple with these few ingredients, and we're just piling it on. And like I said, I know it's a little messy, but sometimes if you're not making a mess in the kitchen, you ain't doing it right. So we want to make sure we do it right. And we're just scooping that right on top. Now that I think about it, I probably should have put some parchment paper underneath these, but we learn from our mistakes. So we're going to go ahead and get these into the oven at 350 for about 25 minutes. All right, our Mexican pizzas are done. Oh my goodness. And these would not be complete without some sour cream. So we're going to do a nice little drizzle of sour cream on each of these. This is obviously optional. You could do cilantro, you could do whatever you like, some pico de gallo, some guacamole, but this is what I like on mine, and this is what my family likes, so that's why we're doing that. Woo, looks good. All right, it is time to give these a try. I think I'm gonna go for this front one. Oh yeah, perfect. Came off with, they're so easy. It is stacked and ready. That is so good, and it's perfectly cooked. You guys are gonna love these.